Does marketing on Facebook for sales really work for business? Today, we answer this hot question and more by exposing some Facebook marketing truths through questions like,
is Facebook marketing dead or does it really work? How does Facebook marketing fit into the sales cycle? How exactly does Facebook marketing work, and is it important for my business? And how to do Facebook marketing effectively to generate sales.
You are going to want to watch this video to the end because we reveal the reason why so many businesses are failing on Facebook and how avoiding this one pitfall could make all the difference for your business, regardless of the social media platform you market on.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Paul.
And we are the Mobilepreneurs, a full-time Canadian RVing family and digital marketing strategist team. We help business owners grow their business faster online while achieving more time freedom.
With every episode, our goal is to provide you with a very helpful free resource that you can use right away to get results in your business. This week, we're giving you our Facebook for Sales 3 Pillars of Success PDF. This PDF will give you a visual of what using Facebook marketing for sales would look like and identify the 3 pillars we believe are necessary for foundational success so you can implement this inside your own business. We'll leave a link for you down in the description box below.
Today, we break down what marketing on Facebook for sales look like by answering your most common questions. Remember to stay tuned to the end and learn exactly how to use Facebook marketing in your business to effectively generate sales. So let's dive right in.
Is Facebook marketing dead or does it really work? Chances are you could be feeling really frustrated with Facebook marketing, and you've talked with other business owners who are also facing the same challenge, which is it's just not working. No matter the time and energy you put behind your business page, you just don't get the results. What used to work just doesn't work anymore, and the frequent changes make you just want to throw in the towel.
And we totally get it. As business owners, we've been there. And here's our answer to the question. The truth is, Facebook is still the marketing vehicle of choice for most marketers, including us, paid and organic, which means Facebook marketing is not dead. What is happening, though, is that it's evolving. If you can start to view Facebook marketing as your gateway to creating a loyal community with the ability to build personal relationships, I promise you, your results will begin to change.
So, how does Facebook marketing fit into the sales cycle? We know all the people are there, and we know that they're not there on Facebook to pull out their credit card. So what's a business to do? You've got to build brand awareness. This is one of the primary reasons your business should be on Facebook, and just because it's getting noisier, it doesn't mean it's time to give up.
It means it's time to understand the game and how to play it while you still have an opportunity. Facebook marketing is not about immediate sales. It's where you build your network, where you nurture your relationships, and the lesser known consideration that we are going to share with you right now is the ability to get to know and understand your prospects and your customers like you've never known them before. And when you attract them, they will actually tell you everything you ever need to know about servicing them, so long as your focus is to build a relationship with them and not sell them.
Well, building brand awareness, you also get them on your list because you provide them value. Your follow-up campaigns are where you typically do your actual selling. Most people don't buy right away, so you use your content to build brand awareness and to give value in exchange for qualified prospects to subscribe to your offer.
Or maybe you have a business and you just need the phone to ring. In this case, you could deliver content that asks people to message you or phone you. However, these types of posts are only going to work on your warm market.
This is why so many businesses fail with Facebook marketing. They keep marketing to cold prospects and want sales. They don't have a system in place to continuously turn cold prospects warm and eventually to hot sales.
So, how exactly does Facebook marketing work then? It's really important to understand that the goal of all social platforms is to keep people engaged and on their platform for as long as possible. So, this means that the content shared needs to be relevant to your audience by engaging, educating, or entertaining them. And the key point here is that your content must be super relevant to your audience and they have to care about it.
This is one of the main reasons why we love using Facebook paid advertising. You see, most business owners look at Facebook ads as if they would a billboard. Like, if they see my ad enough times, I'll get the business. No, not going to happen.
So the initial purpose of all your Facebook ads are to identify and locate your ideal customers. You're using trial and error with your messaging and your targeting until you find winners. Once you have an audience established who connects to your message, you then can continue connecting with those people and ideally getting the most qualified prospects on your list to continue lead nurturing where you convert sales.
How important is Facebook marketing for my business? Well, we'd have to say that it is very important. And the reason? Well, it was actually revealed to you just above. And in case you've missed it, your initial goal should be to identify your target market and figure out exactly what they want.
So Facebook is the platform to do that, and running paid ads is actually your fastest way possible to understanding your ideal customer and being able to deliver what the customer actually wants. The businesses who figure this part out are the ones who are seeing success from using Facebook marketing. Because the real hidden benefit here is that once you have your ideal customer figured out on Facebook, then you have the skills and the know-how to then expand to other networks and reap the rewards.
This is the one common pitfall you can avoid: trying to have a social presence everywhere in the beginning. If you haven't gotten success from a single social media platform, then our advice would be to work on one platform until you figure a single strategy that consistently works. Once that happens, you're systemized and you've built the skills to transfer onto other platforms and have a much higher likelihood of success.
So skills, coupled with the fact that marketing on Facebook lets you get laser targeted on your ideal audience and what communication resonates the most for them. You see, we as business owners think that we know what our customers really want, and in fact, we don't. Only the marketplace can tell us that. And the data you get back from your marketing is what measures your successes and lets you figure it out via trial and error. And so, if you think this is a little too much and I don't have time for this, we promise you, this is the missing key to all of your digital marketing efforts, and you can't afford to not take the upfront time truly understanding your audience and delivering what matters to them.
So, can Facebook for sales work for my business? We say overwhelmingly yes. However, use it as it's intended for. Play by Facebook rules. Do not use paid ads for direct sales to a cold audience. 1, this is the most expensive kind of traffic to buy. And 2, people do not go to Facebook to pull out their wallets.
So how to do Facebook marketing effectively to generate sales? Number 1, identify your target audience and create a content plan according to their biggest needs and wants.
We suggest creating a customer avatar, doing research on that avatar, and creating your initial content with that avatar in mind. A great free resource that we love to use for researching is answerthepublic.com. Type in any keyword or keyword phrase and it will mind map all the questions that are being asked around those words.
So posts that get the most engagement are inspiring, motivating, or humorous quotes that speak to your audience. Unique content that you create in service to your audience. So you can think tips, articles, guides, must-know info. But the one type of post that outperforms every other post by over a staggering 70% is video posts. This means that video marketing is an absolute must-do.
Facebook's goal is to serve the highest quality, most meaning, and relevant content in people's news feeds. That means if you're serving content that doesn't get engagement, Facebook, they're just not going to show your post. But when people care about your post, Facebook will serve you more eyeballs. This is true for both paid and organic traffic, and it's why we frickin' love having a paid ad strategy. We save a huge amount of time by targeting our messages and paying Facebook to serve them to the right people for us. If people are responding, then we know we have a winner. If they're not, we trial and error until we serve the right audience with the right message. We don't waste time focusing on organic. We see organic as, a nice benefit that comes when people truly care about what you have to say, and we find that quickly by paying for it.
So when winners are identified, the hidden benefit is Facebook will serve you a ton more organic traffic, because if it is engaging and keeping people on the platform, then it's going to show up in their feeds. So our key takeaways for today. Facebook marketing is very much alive, but may feel dead to you if you have not been evolving with the platform. So Facebook marketing fits into the sales cycle by building brand awareness and allowing you to build lists of qualified leads to continue to market your products and services through by continuing your follow-up campaign with value proposition.
Facebook marketing is super important to almost all businesses because so many people are there, and you can use paid ads to match your audience to your message. Use this knowledge to continue delivering the value your audience wants in all of your digital marketing efforts.
Use video marketing. It outperforms every other content strategy by far and is true across all social media platforms. Yes, your business can absolutely use Facebook for sales, but you must set your expectations that first you must develop a relationship and then nurture it. Ads for sales to a cold audience typically won't work.
Once you have an engaged audience and you've learned how to build a successful follow-up campaign that converts, you can easily scale your efforts.
Focusing on Facebook marketing or whichever social platform is the most relevant to your business, i.e., where your ideal customers are until you develop a winning formula, will set you up for far greater success than trying to be everywhere.
Remember, each social platform requires its own learning curve, has different content formats, and serves different context purposes, meaning people are on Facebook for different reasons than they are on Instagram or Snapchat.
By focusing on a single platform, you will also alleviate your digital marketing overwhelm in general and set yourself up for real results. You're going to be able to better grasp ROI measurables and focus on your follow-up nurture campaigns to convert sales for you. As long as you are growing brand awareness and connecting to the right people, you will make online sales.
We hope you got a ton of value from today's episode, and definitely do not forget to pick up our Facebook for Sales 3 Pillars of Success PDF. You'll find the link to that and any resources mentioned below in the description box.
So if you like today's episode, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you and your Facebook marketing endeavors, and we'll respond to you as soon as we can. Also, be sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell below to get notified of our future episodes. Thanks for watching.
Also, we'd like to apologize for the shakiness of our videos, but we live in an RV with 2 children, and it shakes a lot.